Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Turbina Eolica is probably one of the most sought-after renewable energy solutions for homeowners and businesses looking to reduce their carbon footprint and electricity bills, offering a sustainable way to generate power right from your property. Imagine harnessing the natural power of the wind to significantly cut down on your monthly energy costs while contributing to a greener planet. This innovative technology makes that vision a reality, providing a reliable and eco-friendly alternative to traditional energy sources. With increasing concerns about climate change and rising energy prices, investing in a Turbina Eolica represents a smart, forward-thinking decision for anyone seeking energy independence and long-term savings. Number 5. ECOFLOW Delta Pro Portable Power Station. Meet the ECOFLOW Delta Pro, your ultimate portable power solution. It's designed to keep your essential devices running, no matter where you are. Need more power? You can expand its capacity significantly, ensuring you have backup power for extended periods. It can even power most heavy-duty appliances. Recharge it in a flash, whether from a wall outlet or solar panels. Its advanced charging technology is not only fast but also safe for the battery. Charge it up in various ways, including EV stations, solar, or even your car outlet. It's faster than other generators in its class, keeping you powered on the go. Take control of your energy usage with the Smart app. Monitor your habits, customize settings, and reduce your reliance on the grid for lower bills. Replace noisy, polluting generators with this silent, fume-free alternative. It's the smart choice for home backup, camping, or any emergency situation. What we like. If you need a large capacity backup power for your home or RV, this is the one. It can expand up to 10.8 kilowatt-hours and power almost any heavy-duty device. If you want to integrate it with your home energy system and monitor usage via an app, this is your best bet. What people say. The 3600W output is more than enough for our setup, and having 5 120V AC outlets makes it super easy to plug in everything we need without juggling extension cords. Battery life is impressive. We can run multiple presses without constantly stressing about recharge time, and the build quality feels solid and professional. I had 10 hours 47 minutes available. That's awesome. Times that by 2 and that's the power I have before zero. A good set of solar panels will keep this running at peak. Number 4. 63-inch Kinetic Wind Spinner Peacock. Add a touch of magic to your garden with this stunning Kinetic Wind Spinner. Its delicate peacock tail design and vibrant colors create a captivating visual sensation, bringing your outdoor space to life. Experience the full spectacle as it spins. With its 360-degree rotation, this piece adds a dramatic and dynamic element to your garden, catching the wind from every direction. Worried about assembly? We've got you covered. Its snap-fit design makes putting it together a breeze, and you can even adjust its height for the perfect placement. Crafted from durable metal with a rust-proof coating, this garden art is built to withstand the elements. Its sturdy, 5-pronged base ensures it stays balanced and stable, even in strong winds. Whether staked in your yard or hung from a tree, this versatile piece is sure to impress. It's the perfect way to enhance your lawn, patio, or garden decor. Looking for a unique gift? This eye-catching wind sculpture is an ideal present for any garden lover, offering beauty and movement all year round. What we like. For those who love to decorate their garden with unique and artistic pieces, this Kinetic Wind Spinner is a great choice. Its peacock design and dual-direction wind-catching capabilities add a dynamic visual appeal. If you're looking for a beautiful, easy-to-assemble garden ornament that adds a touch of elegance and movement, this is perfect for you. What people say. Sturdy construction, easy assembly, and incredibly well-designed packaging. It is very bright and pretty. Highly recommend this wind spinner. It is the best I have ever owned. It is beautiful and glossiness in the sun when it spins. Number 3. DIY Small Wind Turbine Generator Kit. Introducing a unique wind turbine generator kit, perfect for adding a touch of magic to your backyard. It's designed to bring your outdoor space to life with the power of the wind. This innovative device automatically powers a vibrant light strip, illuminating your garden on windy nights. Enjoy a beautiful display without the need for batteries or external power. Watch as the light's brightness changes with the wind strength, creating a captivating visual experience. The stronger the breeze, the more brilliant the illumination. Assemble and install this generator yourself in an open area for a practical and engaging way to utilize wind power. It's a fun project that brings your yard to life. Constructed with durable, anti-aging materials and a brushless motor, it's built to withstand strong winds and all weather conditions. Enjoy long-lasting outdoor use with noise-free operation. Its clever design and simple assembly make it easy to set up in any open space. The included hardware ensures a secure and straightforward installation. What we like. If you're looking for a fun and interactive DIY project that also adds a unique lighting feature to your backyard, this small wind turbine kit is ideal. It powers colorful LED strip lights automatically with the wind, creating a dynamic ambience. It's perfect for those who enjoy hands-on projects and want a free, wind-powered decoration. What people say. The package contains more than we expected. Ours included a test bulb, not just the string lights, and a temporary PVC mount that was sturdy enough to stand up the windmill and blow a DeWalt shop fan on it for a successful test. Easy to assemble. Great instructions, perfect fit, even a spare nut, bolt, and blade. Bonus screwdriver and wrench included in ours. This is a great little wind turbine. We installed it in our backyard and attached the lights to our shed and it worked wonderfully. So many fun after purchase this DIY wind turbine generator, great STM gift for kids and unique backyard decoration. Easy to put all the parts together, my 4-year-old can help and learn from it. Also have potential to add on your own idea. I added the snowflake LED light myself to welcome the first measurable snow on 2023 that I connected 2 more LED light strings to the wind turbine generator. It still work as usual, super cool watching all strings light up at the same time at windy days. Number 2. 1200W Vertical Axis Wind Turbine Generator Kit. Experience efficient energy conversion with a rated power of 1200W and a 24V system. It starts generating electricity stably even in a gentle breeze, providing a reliable power supply for 10 to 20 years. Constructed with a UV and acid rain-resistant aluminum housing, it ensures excellent heat dissipation. The internal components are made from high-temperature resistant materials and protected against rust for long-lasting performance. Enjoy quiet operation thanks to its 8 lightweight blades and balancing system. It starts up quickly in low wind speeds and operates almost silently, offering a more comfortable experience. Operate with confidence due to the built-in self-unloading load and magnetic brake systems. These features ensure safe operation under all wind conditions, protecting both the equipment and your power supply. This generator is built to withstand extreme temperatures from -40 degrees Celsius to +80 degrees Celsius and is IP66 waterproof and dustproof. It's designed to perform reliably in various challenging environments. What we like. This 1200W wind turbine is designed for efficient and stable power generation, making it suitable for various applications like boats, terraces, or cabins. If you need a reliable, quiet, and safe power source that can withstand extreme temperatures and harsh weather conditions, this is an excellent option. Its dual safety protection ensures peace of mind. What people say. It was not difficult to assemble, the construction was sturdy. Does generate power, but not even close to what the seller's posting stated. It's mounted on a tower now, who knows how long it will take to recharge my battery bank from a discharged state. Number 1. Nature's Generator Wind Turbine with 1800W Generator. Introducing the Nature's Generator Wind Turbine, your solution for clean, renewable energy. It's designed for both land and marine use, ensuring power day and night. This comprehensive kit comes with everything you need, including a 100-foot 12 AWG cable and a controller box. Its 5-blade design maximizes energy capture. Never worry about power outages again. This system provides consistent energy generation, allowing you to power your essential devices whenever you need them. Whether you're off-grid on land or at sea, this turbine is built to perform. Its robust construction ensures durability in various environments. Setting up your renewable energy source is straightforward with the included components. Start generating your own power with ease. This wind turbine is perfectly complemented by the Nature's Generator 1800W generator. Together, they offer a powerful and reliable energy solution for your needs. What we like. If you need a powerful wind turbine generator for either land or marine use, this nature's generator is a strong contender. With its 1800 W output and included accessories like a 100-foot cable and controller box, it offers a comprehensive solution. If you're looking for a robust system for off-grid power or supplementary energy, this is a great choice. What people say. The turbine is easy to install and has a quiet operation. It generates a good amount of power even in low wind conditions. The build quality is robust and it has withstood strong winds without any issues. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.